Hey, it's Brandon from Tattooing 101. If you watched the video from yesterday, I wanted to say thank you, and I hope it helped you get past some artist block and feel confident in your ability to draw neo-traditional animals. If you didn't, I highly recommend that you go back and watch it. It'll show you how to add facial expressions to any animal that you tattoo or draw. Now today is going to be a pretty quick video, but it is super important because today I'm going to show you a trick on how to make solid neo-traditional palettes without having to do basically any work. Actually, this is pretty fun. I call it desaturating. If you go to color.adobe.com, you'll find this color mixer, and you could use the setting on the side to make instant color palettes super easy that also use color theory. You've got monochromatic, complementary, and just about any combination. And then you move the handles around in this gradient however you like. And since we're going for neo-traditional palettes, you want to use these bars at the bottom to mute your colors a bit. This is how you desaturate them. What's good about this is that you can see them right next to each other and make sure they're not going to blend together and just look too dark in the skin. You know exactly what ink you want to get or mix before you start tattooing. This is completely free and it's easy to use if you're new to color theory. Now, I've been tattooing 13 years, so I use different techniques when it comes to finding my color palettes. But this is a great way to get a feel for finding color combinations that you like. And if you want to dive deeper into finding out more about neo-traditional designs behind the scenes, you're going to be able to do that tomorrow when you sign up for my neo-traditional course. I've put a lot of work into making this for you guys, and I've even got some clients in on it. So there's amazing live tattoo tutorials for you. So I hope you go check it out and use it to boost your career, because neo-traditional is a big style right now, and a lot of clients love it. Until then, let's keep the comments going. What are you looking forward to most when it comes to the neo-traditional course? And if you have any questions, feel free to pop them in there as well. I'll get to as many as I can, and I will see you in the next video.